130 degrees Fahrenheit right here. And they do like this with these holes. So, straight across. Welcome. Today we are in St. Thomas, Jamaica. St. Thomas is one of the 14 parishes in the island of Jamaica. It has a size of approximately 743 kilometers square and a population of approximately 95,000. St. Thomas is located on the southeast coast of the island and is part of the county of Surrey with the adjoining parishes of Portland to the north and St. Andrew to the west. The capital city is Moran Bay, and there are other major towns such as Seafort, Yallis, Port Moran, Bath, and Golden Grove. Well, today we'll be trekking to a local attraction called the Reggae Falls, aka the Dam Head. We're doing it the Jamaican way, no straw, real country style. I'm at the base of the Reggae Falls right now, but the rain has just started and I have to keep the camera gears, the microphone and all those things away from the water. So I'm kind of taking refuge right beside the base of a rock until this rain subsides. It's about 70 feet tall or 70 feet high, and this once used to be a hydroelectric plant, okay? But now the remains is just a beautiful, beautiful treasure that the local people, it's a local attraction and it's off the beaten path. If you ever get a chance, just try to come out and find the Reggae Falls. It's a long windy drive, but it's worth it. Good morning to you. I'm back again at the Reggae Falls, St. Thomas, Jamaica. I'm currently here in Bath, St. Thomas. This is the Bath Botanical Garden. It's one of your quick stops that you'll make when you're going to the Bath Fountain Hotel and Spa. Just some beautiful, ancient, historic, you name it, all those, trees. So check it out if you have the time. The Bath Botanical Garden is just a beautiful green space. It's a historical garden, so you'll see different tree forms. And it's a quick 5-minute stop. So I'm currently here at the Bath Fountain Hotel and Spa in St. Thomas, Jamaica. It's a must-see attraction here in St. Thomas. So there are two main ways of checking out this hotel and spa. It's a hot spring. You can go to the hotel just down there where you get a more comfortable bath. You'll get jacuzzis, hot tubs, there's restaurants, gymnasiums. But this way I'm doing now, I'm currently on the mountain side with my tour guide. This way is the old-fashioned way, which take you to the hot spring right at the mouth of the volcano. Right, so it's volcanic, it's a dormant volcano or extinct, and the hot springs come from it. So we're just doing the traditional way along the path here and going right to the source of the rock. All right, but that's the hotel down there, and the water comes naturally from the pipes and come into a more comfortable, a more luxurious style down there, right? But we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way here, and then afterwards we'll go inside the spa. Dance around, it's so hot, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going in right from the rock. You got to move around, dance around, because can't burn one place too long. You can smell a strong sulfur content coming from it. And the locals normally take a sip, just a bit, like a half cup. So I'm gonna take a half cup of this medicine right now. Just like that in the palm of my hands. That's good. I can feel, I'm already feeling better. Feel like I could just fall asleep right now. That's it, the traditional way here at Bad Fountain, St. Thomas, Jamaica. That's my tour guide there.
Yeah man, brother Pepe, you know.
Tour guide Pepe. Alright, Andre is one of the
for clean, you know?
yeah.
Piment oil. Mineral doctor, the mineral spa thing. Come and check it out.
So Andre is currently, he's one of the local masseuse here in the hills. And he's doing massage right here with his client right there. Alright?
You've done a wonderful job,
See?
job.
There's a testimony.
Okay.
There's a testimony right there.
I feel lighter.
Alright, she's feeling much more lighter, she said. I take it that she means she's feeling more relaxed. Same. 130 degrees Fahrenheit right here. And they do like this with these holes. Hot. Like that. Yeah. You gotta move it around, move it around, move it around. You can't keep it one place too long. So in my chest, on my head, I can smell the strong sulfur content from the water. So that's how we do it here at Bad St. Thomas. And this is the traditional way, right up in the hills, at the source of the volcanic rock. So in a moment, we'll be going to the hotel and spa right down below. This here is your own private jacuzzi in the Bad Fountain Hotel and Spa. So it's a bit more luxurious than where we went before. We went to the rocks up by the mountain and down in the valley. But if you want a luxurious style and you need like a hotel room and a restaurant, you come here, right? And if you need it the traditional way like I do, then you get a tour guide and you trot over the mountain for about 5 minutes and down the valley to that spring. You love the sound of the river, the sound of the birds, the crickets. Then you come here, this is one of the rooms, and you have a river view. Look at that. That's the same river, the Sulphur River, coming down from where we went before. So this is it. A view of the room at the Bad Fountain Hotel and Spa here in Bad St. Thomas, Jamaica. Check it out, the Russell Waterfalls, another of St. Thomas local attraction. Alright guys.